In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off profile views on TikTok. Turning off profile views can help protect your privacy and prevent others from seeing when you visit their profiles. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy. And then scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the Profile Views option, which is enabled. Just tap on it. To turn off profile views on TikTok, simply toggle off this switch here. This is exactly how you can turn off profile views on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.